Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your trading password on KuCoin. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KuCoin application on your device and then log in using your email address or phone number and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page. From here, in order to change your trading password, tap on the account icon at the top left corner, then tap on security and then tap on trading password. This will now take you into the change password menu. Just type in your current password within the old trading password box, followed by your desired new password within the new trading password section. You will need to type in your new password twice for confirmation, so just type it in and then tap on the change button. And now your trading password has successfully been changed within your KuCoin account. After this, every time you make a trade, you will need to use this new PIN code that you have just set. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your trading password on the KuCoin app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.